Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Are you ready for adventure? Today, we are counting down the top 10 places you absolutely must visit in China. Get ready for an energetic and hilarious ride because we are going to have a blast. This video is brought to you by Beyond Trails. If you like our videos, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. First up on our list is the breathtaking Zhangjiajie. It's like stepping into a fantasy world with its towering rock formations, lush forests, and stunning views. Fun fact, this place was actually the inspiration for the movie Avatar. So, come and explore this otherworldly destination and feel like you're on another planet. Next on our list is Guilin, famous for its natural beauty. Think crystal clear rivers, limestone hills, and unique karst formations. If you are a nature lover, this is the place for you. But let's be honest, even if you are not, the beauty of Guilin is hard to resist. Do you love pandas? Then you must visit Chengdu. It's home to the Chengdu Research Base of giant panda breeding, where you can cuddle up with these adorable creatures. But be warned, they might steal your heart. Plus, Chengdu is known for its spicy cuisine, so be ready for some tongue-tingling adventures. Lhasa is the capital city of Tibet and is known for its rich history and unique culture. It's home to the famous Potala Palace, which was once the residence of Dalai Lama. But let's not forget the stunning Himalayan mountains in the background that will take your breath away. So, come and immerse yourself in this unique and fascinating destination. Shanghai is the perfect blend of modern and traditional China. The Bund, with its stunning skyline, is a must-see destination. Plus, it has some of the best street food in China. So come hungry. And if you are looking for some retail therapy, the shopping in Shanghai is out of this world. If you love winter and snow, then Harbin is the place for you. It's home to the world-famous Ice and Snow Festival, where you can see some of the most breathtaking ice sculptures you'll ever witness. Just make sure you bundle up, because it gets pretty chilly. Xi'an is home to the world-famous Terracotta Army, which is simply stunning. These ancient warriors are over 2,000 years old and are a testament to human ingenuity and skill. But Xi'an has much more to offer than just the terracotta army. The city wall is also worth checking out. And the vibrant Muslim quarter will awaken your senses with its delicious food. Huangshan, or the Yellow Mountains, is one of China's most stunning natural wonders. The unique rock formations, sea of clouds, and breathtaking sunrises make it a must-see destination. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can hike to the top and soak up the beauty of this amazing place. Of course, no trip to China is complete without visiting the Great Wall. It's an engineering marvel that stretches over 13,000 miles. And it's a testament to human perseverance and dedication. Hike along the wall and take in the stunning views. But don't forget to stop and take a selfie. And the top spot on our list goes to, drumroll please, Beijing. This city has it all: ancient history, modern attractions, and delicious food. Visit the Forbidden City, the Temple of Heaven, and of course, the Great Wall. But don't stop there, because Beijing also has amazing street food, stunning parks, and a vibrant nightlife scene. So there you have it, folks. The top 10 places you must visit in China. From stunning natural wonders to ancient historical sites, China has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more great content.